Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to create your own Discord gifs. So in order to do that, you need to go first to giphy.com, like right here, and then create an account. You can actually create it, log in with Facebook or Apple, or you just use your email. So I already did it. So I have an account, and then you have to create. Click on create. You go right here and choose file on GIF. You see, this is the GIF option. Now you have to use a file. In this case, I have a pretty nice cat image because everyone likes cats. So now I'm going to put you know I don't know, caption. Hope you find this tutorial useful, which is one of my catchphrases. I don't know if that's well written, so that's it. Hope you find this tutorial useful. And that's it. Right now, you have to um, right now you can actually search for stickers or something like that. I'm going to balloons. Why not? Like, why not balloons, right? So you put a balloon right here. This doesn't make much sense, but you must be creative. I'm just showing you how to do it, and then continue to upload. That's it. Public and upload to Giphy. Once the upload is completed, now you can click on share, copy the GIF link, and then go to whenever you want it to use. Right now I'm using this Discord server, and paste the link, and there you go. Hope you find this tutorial useful, guys, and see you around.